हेलो 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 आ गई मैं. कैन वी सॉल्व इट इन 2 minutes? लेट्स सी. सो आज कौन सा क्वेश्चन उठाया है मैंने? आई जनरली हैव दिस टेंडेंसी ऑफ लुकिंग फॉर द लो हैंगिंग फ्रूट्स. वही आपको सिखाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. ऑलराइट, पे अटेंशन टू दिस. सो cat 23 slot 1. There were two parajumbles. Both were excellent. I remember इस slot में there were two odd one outs. Horrible as hell. मैंने एक नजर देखा, मैंने बोला भाई इसमें तो मैं मर जाऊंगी. मुझे ये भी सही लग, ये भी ऑड वन आउट लग रहा है, ये भी ऑड वन आउट लग रहा है. So, I decided to go with the two parajumbles, and both the parajumbles had great sequences, pairs. Okay, so I'll come to the Gyan points a little later. First, within 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to handle this question. Can we solve it or can't we? चलिए देखते हैं. ठीक है. Now, start. Algo hosted on the internet are accessed by many. So biases in AI models have resulted, okay, I just read the stems. Though algo bias is the popular term, okay, it's not okay. I can see this is a technical sentence. So if I do my rough sheet here, LHS, RHS, beginning, middle, end. Technical will be an explanation to something. So I'll put it here. All right. Despite their widespread impact, whose widespread impact? You go down here, the impact of biased decisions is something spread over a much wider scale. So I can see 4 and 3 make a very good pair, right? The impact of biased decisions made by humans is localized and geographically confined, but with this spread over a much wider scale. I can put 4 and then 3. Despite this, it is relatively easier to fix this. Now, can I start with this? No, I can't. There. This is technical. You cannot start with that. First, there has to be a concept and then technical. So I'm left with 1 and 4 as my starting sentences, right? Algos hosted on the internet are accessed by many, so biases have resulted in much larger impact, adversely affecting larger groups of people and something. This is more general, or this, the impact of biased decisions made by humans is localized and geographically confined. The impact of such decisions is spread. Obviously, between 1 and 4, 4 is a more general sentence. So I'm going to start my para with 4, but here there is a glitch. 4 के साथ अगर मैं 3 लगा देती हूँ, तो 4 and 3 बता के, and then you're going to the 4, 3, and then you can't go to the technical part. Why? Because 3 is saying what? Easier to fix. That's such a big giveaway point. So 3 I'm going to put here instead of here. Why? Because this is fix. This is technical. This has to be somewhere in the middle, explaining something. So I get my rough framework like this. 4, 2, 3. Absolutely cool. Now I need to just check 1 kahan fit hoga. 1 can be here or here, right? So 1 ko fit karne ke liye you just need to read a little bit. Algo hosted on the internet are accessed by many. So biases have resulted in much larger impact, okay, adversely affecting, all right. Ye, biases in AI models. Do you see this? AI models. And then these models are explained here. The foundation of such bias. Kiska, popular term for what? You are giving popular term to what? To the bias that is found. So one has to be somewhere here, and then us bias ko you give a name, technical name, algorithmic bias and something. And then how do we fix it? It goes here. So 4, 1, 2, 3. Absolutely cool, superb, amazing. This was doable. First takeaway. Do not take up questions that do not have pairs. So always look for pairs. Number 2, always pick questions which have solution, fixes, implication. Implication means how it impacts the world, how it influences the world, what it means to the present world. Let's say there is something medical being discussed, and then how does it affect the world? Let's say we are discussing what? Panacea. Panacea is a general term taken by psychologists, okay, and philosophers. So panacea discuss kiya aapne, and then end mein panacea, people think that panacea, people think that if they get utopia, it will be panacea. People think that if they get a very high paying job, it will be panacea, right? No, we are not looking for that. के मतलब ये यहाँ हो वहाँ हो. It has to be in a sequence. Sequence बोले तो how does it affect the world, whether it's panacea or it's anything else, how does it affect the world? It goes in the end. All right, so look for a para that has solution, fixes, implication. ऐसा मैं pick करती हूँ and then it's so easy for me to arrange. Okay, यहाँ पे अच्छा, point number 3, any technical sentence, if you see that is an explanation, long explanatory sentence to an earlier made sentence. जैसे इस केस में हमारा this number 2 was very long, so it is technical, it is explaining something. Arey, what is it explaining? Though algorithmic bias is the popular term for what? For this bias that has come up. So 1 and 2 is such a neat pair. 4 and 3 was a neat pair, but then 4 सीधा 4 के बाद fix और फिर बाद में technical. ना 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 ना, we don't do it that way. ठीक है? So ये जो points मैंने आपको दिए हैं, इनके basis पे learn how to select good questions. There is no jadoo in PJ. Okay, and different authors can have different writing styles, so please do not fall for every like ugly or beautiful question that comes along. Pick good questions, do not waste too much time. टीटा होगा तो बस कुछ भी आप उसमें टाइप कर देना अगर वो गंदा क्वेश्चन है तो. I hope you got my point, guys. Keep learning. I'm going to see you again. Take care.